Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial. Today's tutorial is based on how to delete your Tumblr account on your device. Now before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your Tumblr account, you'll not be able to delete it directly from the application, so you must log in from the web browser. And you can use any web browser that is convenient to you. For now, I'm using Google. Now first of all, open up your web browser and on the search box type in www.tumblr.com. Now as you type in, on the other page will land inside the official site. Now on this following page, in the top left corner you can see try bar icon. Tap on it. Now as you tap on the try bar icon, you can see two different options. So from here, tap on login. So you'll have to enter your login information. So then enter your email address and your password. And once you're done entering your information, tap on login. As you are logged in, on the profile page, in the top left corner you can see try bar icon. Tap on it. So as soon as you tap on the try bar icon, on the other side you can see a lot of options. So from here you'll have to tap on settings. Now as you tap on settings, the page expands. So from there you'll have to tap on account, which is right on top. As soon as you tap on account, on the other side you have all the information. So what you have to do is scroll down right to the bottom. Now right at the bottom in the lower right corner there is delete account, so tap on it. Now as soon as you tap on delete account, and before you delete your account you must provide your information, so that will be your email address and your password. So then enter the correct information, and once you're done entering your information, tap on delete everything, which is right at the bottom. As you can see that I'm logged out, which means that my account has been deleted, and that is how you can delete your Tumblr account on your device. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.